We all know that AI tools today give you confident sounding summaries, but there's nothing stopping them from being dead wrong. You know that, I know that, your grandma probably doesn't know that, but regardless, you use things like Claude, ChatGPT for chatting and minimal artifact generation. Well, there is a tool with a new architecture that can actually generate deeply researched and cited reports, slide decks, and client-facing docs for you, which when tested against Claude, beats Claude's outputs 89% of the time. This tool is called Spine, and it is now state-of-the-art in deep research and artifact generation. So let's jump in and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So Spine is super simple. You just start out with a prompt. Let's say we want to research the top 5 competitors in Spine's industry, and then we'll specify that for each. We want to get product overview, positioning, pricing, strengths and weaknesses, and recent news, and then put all of that into a report. We hit submit. Spine's going to do some quick research, and then they're going to ask some follow-up questions. Once all those follow-up questions are answered, Spine is going to then come up with a plan and ask you if you're ready to start that task. I'm going to hit start task here. And then what we're going to see is AI agents working on a canvas. So you can go ahead and audit their work. They're going to be pulling in resources from the internet, creating plan notes, talking to each other. Okay, it looks like it's finished here. Let's go ahead and look at the competitive landscape analysis on the canvas. You can click on it and open that up in the full screen, and there it is. So just scrolling through this, you can already see how this is super in-depth. This is a docx file, which means you can download it and you can put it into something like Google Drive to modify it. We have different sections, complete analysis on every competitor, and everything is cited. So if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we can see all of the citations. And how many citations are there? Let's look. Looks like there are 111. That's a lot of citations. So everything is backed with data, meaning you get a much more comprehensive result. So a second use case for Spine is decision making. Because of Spine's architecture, and as I mentioned, super high quality results, Spine is able to conduct super thorough and deep research on any decision you're trying to make. So let's start with a prompt. Here we ask Spine to actually research itself and create a full investment memo. We want to know the founding team, the product, their business model, key metrics, market size, competitive landscape, and recent news. Again, Spine is going to summarize what it's about to do after doing a little bit of online research. You're going to hit start task once that looks good, and then the agents go to work on the canvas. Now they are done. We can see they created an investment memo, so let's open that up. So here's the investment memo. It's very comprehensive. We can see it has the founding team, a summary at the top, information on the architecture of the product, all their different product lines, market size, competitors, risks, recent news milestones, and then also some due diligence questions to ask when considering investing or talking to the founders of Spine. And I can attest, as being part of Spine, this information is very up to date. You can also see a bullish case or a bearish case, very comprehensive, and you can share this directly with anyone on your team or outside your organization. Last case for this video. Again, this is something that Claude only maybe scratches the surface of, is Spine's ability to research prospects deeply, give you a brief on prospects, and then help you craft personalized outreach. So in this example, what we're going to do is say that we're meeting with a company and a prospect and have Spine research everything about that company. And then later we're going to prompt Spine to create a personalized 3-step email sequence, which we can then take and put it into our outreach software. Okay, so Spine's done here. They created an intelligence brief, and we can again scroll through here and look at all the information that they found on this specific prospect and recent news on the company. Now we'll go ahead and prompt Spine and ask for a 3-step email sequence. And here is the final deliverable for that. It is fully personalized and ready to be sent. So that's Spine in a nutshell. It's state of the art right now. It is the best research tool on the market. You get cited, client-ready artifacts. And if you want to try today, it is free. You guys can just get started down below with the link in bio. Thanks for watching.